out again. It's a redskin.
What if the tiniest gadgets on your desk could deliver the biggest upgrades to your workflow? Today, we're diving into a lineup of futuristic tools that may be small in size, but they pack a serious punch when it comes to innovation and utility. Let's start with a powerhouse that every tech lover should have in their toolkit: the Fantic E1 Pro Screwdriver. This isn't just your average mini screwdriver. It's got 50 bits packed into a sleek aluminum body, and the magnetic case feels premium the second you snap it open. What makes it truly stand out is the torque. 3 precise power settings plus a manual mode for delicate adjustments. Whether you're upgrading your PC, fixing your drone, or fine-tuning a camera rig, this screwdriver makes the process effortless. It charges via USB-C and holds enough power to get through dozens of fixes on a single charge. It's compact, powerful, and honestly, kind of addicting to use. Next up is a pair of earbuds that look like they belong on a spaceship, the Moonrop space travel earbuds. Aside from their futuristic name, they deliver shockingly good audio for their size and price. We're talking crisp highs, solid bass, and ANC that blocks out the chaos around you. The transparent design shows off the internal tech, which is a treat for audiophiles and style junkies alike. What really sets them apart is the DSP tuning that brings a studio-like balance to everyday listening, whether you're commuting, gaming, or just zoning out with your favorite playlist. They may look like a sci-fi prop, but the sound is very much real-world. Now let's bring it back down to earth, but only slightly, with the fellow Stag EKG electric kettle. It's not just a kettle, it's a piece of counter art with precision engineering under the hood. With temperature control down to the degree and a gooseneck spout for controlled pouring, it's a dream for coffee and tea enthusiasts. But it's also smart. It holds your preferred temperature, heats quickly, and shuts off safely. Plus, it looks like something out of a designer's showroom. If you want to start your morning with elegance and performance, this kettle is the upgrade your kitchen didn't know it needed. If you create content, record podcasts, or even make voiceovers like this one, you're going to love the DJI Mic too. This isn't just a wireless mic, it's a complete ecosystem designed to capture crystal clear audio in any environment. The dual transmitter setup offers studio-grade clarity, and it comes with noise cancellation baked in. The case charges everything wirelessly and syncs automatically, making it a dream for on-the-go creators. Whether you're filming a vlog in the city or recording interviews outdoors, this mic keeps your sound crisp, balanced, and professional, even in windy or noisy settings. Plus, it works seamlessly with your phone, camera, or laptop. No more audio headaches, just plug in and go. Now meet the NuPhy Air 60HE, a wireless mechanical keyboard that redefines what a low-profile board can do. It's compact but seriously high performance, offering hot swappable switches, smooth stabilizers, and an ultra-slim aluminum chassis that feels premium without being bulky. The typing experience is buttery smooth, and the built-in RGB lighting gives your desk some flair without being over the top. With both Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz wireless options plus a wired mode, it's made for multitaskers who switch between devices. If you work remotely or just love a clean, minimalist setup, the Air 60HE is basically the keyboard equivalent of a Tesla. Sleek, powerful, and way smarter than it looks. Let's keep the momentum going with something every tech traveler needs: the Razer Handheld Dock Chroma. This isn't just a dock, it's a full-blown expansion hub wrapped in gamer DNA. Designed for the Razer Edge but compatible with most USB-C devices, it brings HDMI out, USB-A ports, and fast charging all in one compact unit. But here's where it gets fun. It also features Razer Chroma RGB lighting that responds to your gameplay or music, turning your desk or hotel room into a glowing command center. It's like bringing a gaming battle station with you, minus the bulk. Whether you're streaming, docking your handheld, or just charging on the go, this little dock is pure performance meets personality. Say hello to the Cuck Tech 20 power bank. At first glance, it might look like just another battery pack, but it's absolutely not. This beast delivers a whopping 210-watt output, which means it can charge your laptop, phone, tablet, and even your Steam Deck simultaneously without breaking a sweat. It's powered by GaN technology, so it stays cool and compact while delivering insane efficiency. With a crisp digital display showing real-time output and battery status, you always know exactly what's going on. And despite all that power, it fits comfortably into your bag or even your jacket pocket. If you're tired of hunting for wall outlets or juggling multiple chargers, the Cuck Tech 20 is your one-stop energy station. Next, if you're serious about your audio, whether you're a musician, streamer, or just someone who values sound clarity, you need to check out the Sennheiser IE 100 Pro IEMs. These in-ear monitors are tuned for professionals, with balanced audio reproduction that makes vocals shine and instruments sound exactly like they should. They fit snugly and comfortably even during long sessions, and their passive noise isolation is excellent. You'll hear every detail from soft ambient layers to punchy bass drops with near surgical precision. These aren't just earbuds, they're your front row seat to whatever you're listening to. And speaking of audio precision, the EPOS GSX 1000 Gaming AMP/DEC is here to take your setup to the next level. This is a digital to analog converter made specifically for gamers and streamers who crave immersive soundscapes. It features 7.1 surround sound processing that creates positional audio so real you'll swear someone's sneaking up behind you. The touchscreen interface is intuitive and lets you switch between sound profiles, adjust reverb, and customize EQ with a few simple taps. If you're chasing competitive edge or just want your games and streams to sound cinematic, this AMP delivers and then some. Now it's time to dive into some next-level gear designed for creators who live life on the move and want pro-grade performance in their pocket. First up is the DJI Pocket Osmo 3 camera. This tiny camera packs an impressive punch, combining a mechanical 3-axis gimbal with 4K 60 FPS video in a design that literally fits in your palm. It's like having a cinematic rig that you can pull out of your pocket at a moment's notice. The stabilization is so smooth you'll feel like you're floating through your shots. It also includes Active Track 6.0, which locks onto your subject and keeps them in perfect frame, even while you move. Add in a flip-out touchscreen, built-in mics, and crazy good low-light performance, and this camera becomes your go-to tool for travel vlogs, quick shoots, or cinematic content on the fly. Next, we have one of the most hyped AI gadgets of the year, the Rabbit R1. This isn't your average smart assistant. It's powered by a large action model that goes beyond voice responses to actually do things for you, like booking tickets, ordering food, or playing music from any app, even if there's no integration. Its tiny body, scroll wheel, and built-in camera make it feel like something from a sci-fi movie, and the orange shell gives it major personality. It's not here to replace your phone, it's here to work for it, giving you a totally new way to interact with digital tools. It's still evolving, but even in its early form, the Rabbit R1 is one of the most exciting gadgets to hit the market. And then there's the Busy Bar, a productivity gadget that sounds simple but completely transforms your work from home game. It's a slim LED status bar that attaches to your monitor or workspace and lights up to show whether you're available, busy, or in a meeting. But it's not just manual. It integrates with apps like Zoom, Teams, Slack, and even Google Calendar to update your status automatically. That means fewer interruptions, more focused time, and a smarter home office that works the way you do. If you've ever had a coworker or a family member barge in mid-call, this little light strip might just save your day. Let's keep this gadget journey rolling with 3 more insanely cool devices, each one packed with futuristic vibes and real-world usefulness. Meet the X-Real Air 2 Pro, your personal wearable cinema. These AR glasses are sleek, lightweight, and designed to project a massive virtual screen right in front of your eyes. You can stream Netflix, play Xbox, browse the web, or connect to your phone, all without anyone around you seeing a thing. The display quality is incredible. vivid colors, sharp resolution, and low latency. Plus, with electrochromic lenses, you can adjust tint levels for brighter or darker viewing on demand. Whether you're on a flight, commuting, or just zoning out on the couch, it's like carrying a 130-inch screen in your pocket. Science fiction? Nope. Just next-gen wearable tech done right. Now let's head to the kitchen, because the Breville Barista Touch Impress is turning home coffee lovers into baristas overnight. This isn't just a coffee machine. It's a fully automated espresso master with a built-in grinder, intelligent dosing, hands-free tamping, and a touchscreen interface that makes crafting lattes, cappuccinos, or straight espresso incredibly easy. It learns your preferences over time and adjusts shot volume, temperature, and milk texture to suit your style. You get cafe-quality coffee without ever stepping outside, and the ritual becomes addictive in the best way. Plus, it looks gorgeous on your counter. If you're tired of overpriced coffee runs, this is your ultimate upgrade. And now, something truly immersive. The Goovis G3 Max. Think of it as a wearable IMAX theater strapped to your face in the best way possible. These cinematic headsets feature dual micro-OLED displays, delivering stunning 4K visuals with a 100,000:1 contrast ratio and an ultra-wide field of view. You get deep blacks, vibrant colors, and razor-sharp details for everything from movies and games to productivity. It's ideal for travel, VR simulation, or even using as a second screen when paired with a laptop. The fit is comfortable enough for hours of viewing, and the visual quality is jaw-dropping. Whether you're binge-watching, gaming, or working in privacy, the Goovis G3 Max wraps you in your own private digital world. Let's keep the tech flowing. This next trio brings together clean air, smart wearables, and robotic lawn care like you've never seen before. First up is the Coway Air Mega Icons, a premium air purifier that doesn't just clean the air, it blends seamlessly into your modern living space. With a flat, fabric-covered design and wireless charging pad built right into the top, it looks more like a high-end speaker than a purifier. But inside, it's all power. It uses a 3-stage filtration system to remove dust, allergens, and harmful particles, and it's whisper quiet even at higher fan speeds. Plus, it connects to your phone via app for full control and real-time air quality monitoring. It's perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or any space where aesthetics and air quality both matter. This isn't just breathing better, it's living smarter. Now let's talk about a pendant that might just redefine how you interact with your phone. The Rewind Pendant. This tiny AI-powered wearable is designed to record, transcribe, and summarize your life's conversations and moments, all while respecting your privacy. It listens passively, encrypts everything locally, and gives you searchable voice-based memory access through a private app. Need to recall a meeting detail? A podcast quote? Something your friend mentioned over coffee? The Rewind Pendant has it stored. It's like an extension of your brain, discreet, secure, and insanely futuristic. For productivity junkies and digital minimalists alike, this could be a total game changer. And finally, meet the Mammotion Luba 2, the robotic lawnmower that's smarter than your last 3 smart home gadgets combined. Unlike traditional robotic mowers that rely on buried boundary wires, the Luba 2 uses RTK-GNSS satellite tech for centimeter-level precision. That means you can map your yard via app, set no-go zones, and schedule cuts, all without digging a single cable. It climbs steep slopes, avoids obstacles, and even returns to charge automatically. And the best part? It mows in perfect straight lines like a pro landscaper. Whether you've got a big yard or just hate yard work, the Luba 2 is your set-it-and-forget-it solution for a perfectly trimmed lawn year-round. That wraps up all 18 of your incredible gadgets, and each one brings something totally unique to the table. From powerful tools and AI wearables to pro-level creator gear and lifestyle upgrades, these gadgets prove that smart tech isn't just about the future. It's about upgrading your life right now. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit like, drop a comment with your favorite pick, and subscribe to Smart Gadgets Picks for more awesome tech discoveries just like these.